In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an invoice in Xero. Sometimes, a customer may not be able to pay an invoice, or you might need to remove an old unpaid balance from your accounts. And writing it off is the correct accounting way to handle that. Let's go step by step. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, click on Business from the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, select Invoices. Here, you'll see a list of all your invoices, including those awaiting payment. Next, find the invoice you want to write off. You can use the search bar to locate it quickly by typing the customer's name or invoice number. Once you've found it, click on the invoice number to open it. If the invoice is marked as awaiting payment, that means it's ready to be written off. To do this, you'll need to create a credit note to offset the balance. Click on Invoice Options in the top right corner and select Add Credit Note. A new credit note window will open. Make sure the customer name matches the original invoice, and enter the same invoice amount or the remaining balance you wish to write off. In the description box, write something like bad debt write-off or unpaid invoice adjustment. Set the date to the same period when you want the write-off to appear in your accounts. Next, choose the correct account code. Typically, this will be your bad debts expense account. If you don't already have one, you can create it by going to your chart of accounts later. Once you've filled in the details, click Approve to save the credit note. Now that it's approved, you need to apply the credit note to the unpaid invoice to bring the balance down to zero. Go back to the original invoice, click Invoice Options, and then choose Allocate Credit. Select the credit note you just created and apply it against invoice. You'll see the outstanding balance disappear, meaning the invoice has now been written off. To confirm, return to your invoices list. The status of that invoice should now read paid, but the payment will show as a credit adjustment, not actual money received. This ensures your books are balanced while keeping a clear record that the invoice was written off as bad debt. And that's it. That's how to write off an invoice in Xero.